been struggling to get mirrors on the 300 TPI SMRJ, mainly because on this side it's quite easy, because I can get this sort of adapter here which replaces that clutch lever holder there, which is actually replaced this one. You can see it here. But on this side it's a problem. I mean, the closest place is here, which will look awful, and then you've got the throttle cables interfering with it, and mainly because of the Brembo master cylinder here. It's an upgraded one from the original, so it can handle the 6-pot calipers on it. And let me see if this is out of focus. That's better. So this Brembo master cylinder, as you can see, it is sideways, so I can't get that adapter on it like that. So I thought long and hard about it, and then I thought about reversing cameras. But the problem with reversing cameras is that the angle of view is very narrow, and the monitors are so big. So I came up with a fantastic idea. Well, I believe it's a fantastic idea. I've got an iPhone 6s here, which is an older model that I have, and I've got a GoPro 6 here, set in super view, and that's actually my rear view. Let me see, there, you can see my hand, and it works beautifully, and at the same time I can get it to record the back view. I mean, it obviously we still do shoulder checks and all that, but it gives you a good idea of what is behind you. So the way I mounted it, I didn't want these iPhone holders big and bulky and so on. So I got a Rizoma bar end mirrors here, a mirror from my bar ends, which I don't really like, and then I adapted it to fit that mirror adapter, glued a iPhone carbon fiber holder on it, broke it from there to make it easier for me to take out, and that's basically it. And you can see in the video it works fantastic. I just filmed this one with the new Osmo Pocket. I don't know what you guys think of it, but it is so handy because you just put it in your pocket. Exactly. I mean, I have the original Osmo, and you needed a backpack and all that, and I'm not sure about the sound though, so we'll see what you say in the comments. Oh, by the way, you like my new helmet? The R2 Schubert. I got it for winter because my S2 I dropped it from a considerable height, and for winter I like to have what I term as winter helmets because they've got better wind insulation and so on, and it's a very, very good helmet. Love it.